Hey guys, it's me, Audie, and today I'm going to be making slime and teaching you how to make it so that it doesn't stink when you make it. So, first thing is how to make it so it doesn't stink. What you're going to need is, if I can remember where I put it, okay, you're going to need some perfume. I've got Mad About You perfume. I got it at Bath & Body Works, and some slime. And if you ever notice that your slime does not smell very good, like it kind of like smells like glue or stuff, you just take a few squirts of your perfume and you mix it in and do a perfume that you really like the smell of, because it will be there if you like smell it. It doesn't smell as much like glue, it smells more like your perfume that you used. And if it doesn't work, I'm sorry, it's worked for me, and I'm going to show you the other way to do it. So in one bowl, you're going to need some glue. This is just white Elmer's glue. And in a mixing bowl or a cup, you're going to need warm water and like 2 or so pinches of borax. And so then what you're going to do is you're going to spray your like 1 squirt or 2 squirts in with your glue. And then you're going to just take a stirring stick. Well, you're going to want to stir this until it dissolves, but then you're going to take a stirring stick. You're just going to kind of stir that in so that all your glue smells like your perfume. Okay. And then you are going to just put some borax water into your glue, just a little bit at a time, and take another stirring utensil. Just a minute. I'm just using some popsicle sticks for this, and you're just going to stir it up until you get the consistency that you want. And the more borax water you use, the less sticky it will be. And if you find that it's not very liquid, or if it's too liquidy, you just add more borax water. You guys want to make sure that all the borax is dissolved. Just stir it up a little bit, and then just want to add some more, and then stir it. And then once you get it to the consistency that you kind of like, or that you think is good, just going to want to take it off of that. Don't have very many hands. Okay, just going to take it off of that and get your hands dirty and like stir it up. And mine is not very good. I thought it was, but it's not. So what you're going to want to do, you're going to take your borax water and just add some more. And you can also just add more glue too. Like, I think mine's too watery, but I don't know. So then just keep mixing it, and soon it'll get to the consistency that you would like. And just a minute. You guys can see this, but then you just kind of keep mixing and mixing. And I think mine's too watery, so I'm going to add some more glue. So I'm just going to take some more Elmer's glue, pour some in. And if it's not the right texture, just keep mixing it and mixing it. And then soon it will get there, I promise. Mine's really like runny and snotty, and I don't exactly know why. If you do, please leave a comment down below and tell me, because I'm very confused. I made slime many, many times, and it has never done this. Oh, it's kind of getting there. So now you just want to keep mixing it and mixing it and kneading it, kneading it. It's a sticky job. Your hands get messy, but that is okay in my world. I like get dirty sometimes, and by dirty I mean like slimy and stuff. But yeah. So, and then you can smell it, and if it doesn't smell enough like your perfume, you can add more. But I think mine's good. And I think doing it like this, adding them while you're making it, makes it stronger. And yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like below and hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. Bye!